Hi guys and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable LED flash for alerts on iPhone 11, 11 Pro and Pro Max. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to settings and here scroll down and go to accessibility, and again scroll down and go to audio visual. Here it is, and in the bottom we have LED flash for alerts. Just enable this. And also we have the option flash on silent. You can let it enable or you can disable it. Now let's test this function. I will call on this phone. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and